Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix Roblox an unknown error occurred. So here, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure and how you can basically fix the issue. First, check your internet connection. Make sure that you have the stable internet connection. If not, you can try to switch to data connection or mobile data to fix the issue. Once done here, the next step that we can do is go to your phone settings and go to the search box at the top and type right here VPN. And from here, you need to make sure that the VPN is disabled or turned off. Once it's turned off, the next step that we can do here is making sure that your Roblox is updated. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and then search for the Roblox app. Go to the search icon here, type Roblox, tap on it, and if an update button shows up here, just need to tap on update. And then once you've just updated your Roblox, try to see if it fixed the issue. If not, you can try to restart or reboot your phone. So tap and hold the power button to restart or reboot your mobile phone. And once you reopen it, try to see if it fixed the issue. But if the problem persists, go to your browser and open status.roblox.com and see if Roblox is having some issues or server down. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.